How to fix the issue with Internet Explorer. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Internet Explorer cannot display the web page. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to check date and time of your device. So simply go to the settings section and from the left hand side menu, go to time and language. After that, at the top, you see the option of date and time. Simply click on it. And now under additional setting, you can see the option of sync now. Simply click on it. Once the timing and date has been synced, you need to go to the network setting of your device. Then after, in the list of menus, you will see proxy option. Simply click on it and make sure automatically detect setting is turned on. And that's it. Just by keeping in mind these few settings in your device, you will be able to fix the issue with Internet Explorer. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with cannot display the web page on Internet Explorer. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.